Hello dear children, welcome back to your MSc online class. Today I'll explain you lesson number 4, story Righteous Ramnath. Children, in last video I taught you about value of non-violence. Today we are going to learn the story related to the value of non-violence, and the name of the story is Righteous Ramnath. So let's start. Ramnath lived in a village. He was a quiet, peaceful man who did not believe in violence. His father had a lot of wealth. After his death, Ramnath inherited all his wealth. But he was a generous and kind man. He spent most of his wealth in helping others. It was Ramnath's nature to help anybody. So he was always surrounded by a lot of people. Soon, Ramnath spent all his wealth on charity. Unfortunately, all those people who were coming to him suddenly disappeared. Ramnath became very poor, and very few people ever came to inquire after him. Even during those hard days, he never strayed from his righteous ways. He prayed to God every day to bless him enough to help the needy who came to him for help. It means Ramnath lived in a village. He was a very peace-loving person who does not believe in violence. Her father owned a lot of property. After his death, Ramnath inherited his wealth, but he was a very kind and generous person. He spends most of his money helping the needy people. It was the nature of Ramnath to help anyone, so he was always surrounded by a lot of people. There came a time when Ramnath spent all his money on charity. Unfortunately, all those people who were coming to him suddenly stopped coming. Ramnath had become very poor and very few people used to come to meet him. Ramnath never withdrew from his righteousness even during his difficult day. He prayed daily to God and asked for enough blessings to help the needy. बच्चों, रामनाथ एक गांव में रहता था। वह एक बहुत शांत स्वभाव का व्यक्ति था जो हिंसा में विश्वास नहीं करता था। रामनाथ के पिता के पास बहुत सारी संपत्ति थी जो कि उनके मृत्यु के बाद रामनाथ को मिली। रामनाथ एक उदार व दयालु था। वह अपना अधिकांश धन लोगों की मदद करने में लगा देता था। किसी की भी मदद करना रामनाथ का स्वभाव था। इसलिए वह हमेशा बहुत सारे लोगों से घिरा रहता था। रामनाथ ने अपना सारा धन दान पर खर्च कर दिया। दुर्भाग्य से वे सभी लोग जो उसके पास आ रहे थे अचानक गायब हो गए। रामनाथ बहुत गरीब हो गए और बहुत कम लोग कभी कभी उनके पास पूछताछ करने आते थे। उन कठिन दिनों के दौरान भी वह कभी भी अपनी धार्मिकता से नहीं भटका। उसने रोज़ भगवान से प्रार्थना की कि वह उसे ज़रूरतमंदों की मदद करने के लिए पर्याप्त आशीर्वाद दे जो उसके पास मदद के लिए आता था। One night he had a dream. A sage came in his dream and said, Ramnath, there is one way for you to get a lot of wealth. Tomorrow I will come to your village. You will find me in the shadow of the big tree in front of the village temple. I will be sleeping in the shade. Come to the temple around noon. All you have to do is to pick up my staff and hit me on my head. My body will turn into a heap of gold. You can take it all. Ramnath looked at the sage in surprise and saw the sage's face very clearly. Although Ramnath did not believe or like the idea, still he went to the temple the next day. True to his word, the sage came there. He was very tired from a long walk. As soon as he reached the shade of the tree, the sage put aside his staff and the long sack he was carrying, and off he went to sleep. Ramnath recognized him as the man in the dream. Nobody else was around. Ramnath remembered the dream. It means one night Ramnath had a dream. A sage came to his dream and said that, Ramnath, you have only one way to get a lot of money. The sage said, tomorrow I will come to your village. You will meet me under the big tree in front of the village temple. I would sleep. You come to the temple in the afternoon and hit my head. My whole body will turn into a pile of gold and you can take it. Ramnath did not believe, but still he went to the temple the next day. There he actually saw a sage getting tired and sitting in the shade of the tree. They put their luggage on the side and slept under the tree. Ramnath recognized him as the man in the dream, and he remembered his dream. बच्चों, एक रात रामनाथ को सपना आया. उसके सपने में एक ऋषि ने आकर कहा कि रामनाथ, आपके पास बहुत सारा धन पाने का एक तरीका है. कल मैं तुम्हारे गांव में आऊँगा. तुम मुझे गांव के मंदिर के सामने बड़े पेड़ की छाया में मिलना. मैं सोया रहूँगा. तुम दोपहर के समय मंदिर में आना और मेरे सिर पर मारना. मेरा पूरा शरीर सोने के ढेर में बदल जाएगा और तुम इसे ले सकते हो. रामनाथ ने आश्चर्य से ऋषि की ओर देखा और ऋषि का चेहरा बहुत ध्यान से देखा. हालांकि रामनाथ को विश्वास नहीं था, लेकिन फिर भी वह अगले दिन मंदिर गए. उनके सपने की तरह वास्तव में एक ऋषि वहां आए. वह बहुत चलकर थक गए थे. जैसे ही वह पेड़ की छाया में पहुँचे, उन्होंने अपनी लंबी बोरी को अपने पास रख लिया और वहाँ पर सो गए. रामनाथ ने उन्हें पहचान लिया था, क्योंकि ये वही ऋषि थे जो उसके सपने में आए थे. So dear children, this is enough for today. Rest of the story will continue in next video. Thank you.